Directions for Smart Lookup, Springfield College. Open Word, and instead of choosing blank document, in the search box type spec and then enter. And we'll choose the very first one. It's called Spec Design. And then go ahead and choose Create. For the title, type your name. For heading 1, just select it and type San Francisco. And then for the paragraph below it, select it so it selects all 3 of them. This is just an example of when you would use a template and you would put in your own information here. Go ahead and press delete. And then select San Francisco. So if you're doing a little bit of research on San Francisco, you don't actually have to go and open Google Chrome or go to the internet. You can do it right through Word by selecting San Francisco, click Review, and it's under Smart Lookup. The first thing you come across on the right-hand side is a window pane that's called Insights, and it has Explore and Define. So it would give you a brief description.
San Francisco.
Even pronunciation. And then the Explore part is where you could go to actual websites. And once you click one of these, it'll actually take you to Bing search. So I'm going to click More here because I'm looking for a particular link. And I'm going to go back and choose More on the second side. And I'm looking for, right here, sfsanfrancisco.gov. So open that website. And then the city and county of San Francisco. Scroll down. And I'm going to select the information about London Breed, the mayor of San Francisco. I'm going to right click and choose copy. And then I'll go back to Word. Click below it so you don't lose San Francisco. And I'm going to Control V, and then you can't see anything from the copy, but if I click this little paste option button, I can choose merge formatting or keep text only so that I don't have a link. So I could choose keep text only. Just remember when you're copying, pasting, you're never supposed to do this. This is only a sample of how you change it to merge the text that you're in. You're supposed to always be putting things into your own words. So go ahead and save and submit. Thank you.